Yeah, I think, well, I'm looking forward to it a lot. I think all the boys want to get back to winning ways. I think it's important we start well and get a win to keep the qualification available.
Just getting the boys together is always great. Good camp, we've had a good training build up to the game, and hopefully we can put in a better performance than we did in Moldova.
We had a very good win against Belgium, and then a little less against Germany, but I thought against Germany the first 20 we played well. Belgium beat Germany last night, so it shows that anyone can beat anyone in this group, and I think it gives us confidence to go out tomorrow and get another win.
That's something that we spoke to the players about for sure. I mean, that performance that day was excellent. With possession and without the ball as well, and something that we didn't quite do as well in Moldova recently. So we've worked on that this week, and hopefully we can put that right tomorrow. They're a good bunch. It's been a really good camp, nice and positive. We've had a full week's training, so we've covered everything we needed to. The finer details today at the race course, as you say, beautiful morning, pitch is looking decent. So we're all looking forward to the game now.
I think we all work hard for each other. We have good quality in the team, and I think we can defend well. Against Belgium, we defended very well, and we can also create a lot of chances. It's just about taking our chances, defending well, and getting a good performance.